Hey guys, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. I've got a special surprise in store for you today. I'm going to show you my Syil rigid tapping, and we're going to start off on a low RPM and sneak our way all the way up to 6,000 RPM, guys. I just wanted to see if the machine could do it, and I was nearly tempted to take it above 6,000, but 6,000 maxed me out, guys. I just didn't have the pucker factor to go high, if you know what I mean. So to demonstrate this today, guys, I'll be dropping in with the shell mill, taking a facing cut, spot drilling my holes, deep drilling all the way through, guys, right through to the other side. That part thickness is roughly just over 3/8. And then I'll be dropping in with a 6mm 3-flute spiral flute tap, which is a machine tap designed for rigid tapping. And I'll start off at 250 RPM and then increase it all the way up to 1,000. And then on these holes here, I'll take them all the way up to 2,000. And these third row of holes will go all the way up to 6,000. So it'll be 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I think you'll be quite surprised with the results, guys. Okay, as you know, a machine tap is a 3-flute spiral fluted tap, which is designed for machine purpose. These differ to an old-fashioned 4-flute tap with straight flutes, which they don't actually pull out the swarf that they're cutting. So a standard tap will usually break off these little tails and drop into the hole. And while you're tapping, you'll have to back off and then go again to break off these little tails, okay? You'll notice the spiral flute, as I spiral flute tap it, it will actually extract the swarf up just like a drill bit will. And this is why they're designed for machine purpose. There are many other ways to tap on a CNC machine. You can thread mill, and you can also do form tapping, guys. Form tapping is much stronger, but I just don't think I have the spindle power to be doing form tapping in this machine. Alrighty guys, so let's jump into it. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, what did you think of that? I was quite blown away by it actually, and I posted a short little video on Instagram and also on the Facebook Syil page, and the company owner, Mr. Zushao, couldn't believe that I was tapping at 6,000 RPM. It's friggin' insane. Now guys, next week I've got something really special for you. My beautiful wife and I are jumping on an aeroplane and flying all the way over to Vietnam. And I'm going to drop in and see my really good friend, Lionel Connell. Now Lionel is an Aussie expat living in Vietnam, and he's moved his whole manufacturing process over there and he lives there full time. Lionel's jumped right in the deep end, guys. His first ever CNC machine, he's bought a DMG Mori NTX 1000 SZ. There's no half measures with Lionel. If he's going to do something, he does it full on, guys. He's a traditional manual machinist, and he's probably one of the best machinists I know, guys. So I know about 4 really good manual machinists. There's a guy called Kim who taught me many, many years ago. Old Peter Pilbeam, who you know, he's a gun. Someone you don't know of is called Peter Taylor, and he's on YouTube as the Wizard. He doesn't put up much machining, he puts up a bit more 3D printing stuff, but Pete's they don't call him the Wizard for nothing. He's a wizard on the manual machine. But I think these guys, they'd be hard pressed to beat Lionel. Anyway, more of that to come, guys. Thanks for joining in, and look forward to you watching my video when I'm in Vietnam. Catch you later. Bye-bye.